Are you obsessed with home theater tech? Do you find yourself constantly searching for the next big thing in TV technology, always wanting to be ahead of the curve? If you're the kind of person who gets excited about the latest advancements in display tech, you're in the right place. Do you crave the sharpest screen and the brightest colors? Imagine a world where every pixel pops, where colors are so vivid they almost leap off the screen, and where your favorite movies and shows look better than ever before. Well, get ready, because Samsung's 2026 TV leaks are about to blow your mind. The rumors swirling around the tech world right now are nothing short of game-changing, and if you love cutting-edge displays, you'll want to hear this. So here's the big news. Industry leaks say that Samsung is finally making micro-LED TVs truly affordable and accessible in 2026. For years, micro-LED has been the holy grail of TV tech, promising perfect blacks, insane brightness, and no burn-in, but always at a price that only the ultra-rich could afford. Picture this. Ultra-sharp micro-LED displays, but no billionaire budget needed. Just a regular TV you can actually fit in your living room. Imagine bringing cinema-quality visuals into your home, without needing to win the lottery first. The days of complicated multi-panel installs? Over. Samsung's rumored to be rolling out single-panel micro-LED TVs, making setup as easy as plugging in your current flat screen. No more calling in a team of experts just to get your TV on the wall. If these rumors are true, OLED's reign as king of consumer displays could be seriously threatened. Micro-LED could finally dethrone OLED, offering even better contrast, higher brightness, and longer lifespan. But wait, Samsung's not ditching OLED just yet. They're doubling down on their OLED lineup, making sure fans of that deep, inky black look still have plenty to get excited about. The next-gen QD-OLED models, especially the flagship S95F, could hit an insane 4,000 nits of peak brightness. That's a level of brightness that makes HDR content look absolutely jaw-dropping, even in sunlit rooms. That's HDR content that literally pops. Plus, expect their glare-free tech to roll out across more models, making reflections a thing of the past. Watching TV during the day, or in a bright room? No problem. Your picture stays crystal clear. Inside, the focus is all on AI. Samsung's new TVs are rumored to be powered by next-gen processors that use artificial intelligence to enhance everything you watch, from upscaling old movies to optimizing sound for your room. The new processors are rumored to deliver real-time subtitle translations, smarter gaming modes, and even personalized recommendations based on your viewing habits. Imagine your TV learning what you love and making your experience smoother every day. And a big UI overhaul to better sync with your Galaxy Gear. Even gesture controls from your smartwatch. Control your TV with a flick of your wrist, or seamlessly switch between devices without missing a beat. It's like your TV becomes the hub for your entire Samsung ecosystem. From smart lights to security cameras, everything connects and works together, making your living room smarter than ever. Gamers, don't worry, Neo QLED is not going anywhere. Samsung's keeping its high-performance gaming TVs in the lineup, so you'll still get those ultra-fast refresh rates and stunning visuals. Expect mammoth screens up to 115 inches, 144 Hz refresh rates, and lightning-fast response times. Whether you're into competitive gaming, or just want the biggest, boldest screen, Samsung's got you covered. So, what's getting you hyped? Affordable micro-LED, blindingly bright QD-OLED, or AI-powered everything? The future of TV is looking more exciting than ever, and 2026 could be the year everything changes. Drop your pick in the comments, hit like, and follow Techmaxx for the next big leak. Stay tuned, because we'll be bringing you all the latest updates as soon as they drop.